Hey STEM builders, today we're putting your hands and mind to work by building a 2-foot by 2-foot checkerboard, a perfect blend of math, measurement, and engineering skills. Whether you're building for fun, for class, or for a family game night, this project is practical, precise, and packed with STEM learning. So let's do this.
So here's what you'll need. A 24-inch by 24-inch plywood board, preferably 1/4 or a 1/2 inch thick. Ruler or measuring tape, pencil, straight edge or T-square, painter's tape, 2 different colors of paint. It could be black and white, pink and green, purple and gold, or whatever 2 colors you decide. A paintbrush, sandpaper, and what we like to put on our boards, polyurethane sealant for a nice shine and protection.
Building the board part 1. Dimensions and design. The checkerboard has 64 squares. That's 8 rows by 8 columns. Since our board is 24 inches by 24 inches, each square needs to be exactly 3 inches by 3 inches. Mark a grid by measuring every 3 inches along each edge. Then use your straight edge to draw vertical and horizontal lines.
Building the board part 2. Painting the squares. Here's the fun and tricky part. Painting the alternating squares. Use painter's tape to mask off every other square in a checkerboard pattern. Let it dry completely, then remove the tape. You'll see your checkerboard pattern come to life. You can optionally stain or paint the untaped squares for a clean contrast.
Building the board part 3. Finishing touches. Lightly sand the board for smoothness and apply a sealant to protect it if you plan to use it outdoors or frequently. That's it. You've built your own checkerboard. Congratulations.
This project isn't just fun, it's full of STEM learning. You practice precise measurement, spatial reasoning, and pattern recognition, key skills in engineering and design.
If you like this build, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more hands-on STEM projects. Drop a comment below if you want to see DIY checkers or a carrying case next. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and peace, and have a positive, productive day.